I hope everyone had a blessed Thanksgiving. And now we're on our way to Christmas and New Year, and I'm always searching for that perfect hairstyle, wigs, or my natural hair. But today we're going to focus on a wig review by the Melted Hairline. This is Shakira. And Shakira is a 1B and she's 26 inches long. And as I said in previous videos, you can win this unit. Every unit that I review from now to Christmas, you can have a chance to win her. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll choose a winner from my comment section. So stick around until the end of this video and let's see how Shakira looks on me and have your chance to win her. This is That's Your Girl, Fashion and Beauty. Welcome or welcome back. Welcome back. Let's get right into this wig review. Let's open Shakira up and see what she looks like. It's been a long time since I did a wig review. Well, actually, I just did one like a couple of weeks ago, but that's a long time, right? I've been working with my natural hair. So let's take her out of the package. And she have those cute little baby hairs. Let's remove this, maybe you can see it. Take it out of this package here. Say it's been a long time since I did a wig from the Melted Hairline. So as you can see, Shakira has lots and lots of baby hair. And she looks very pretty and natural. See that hairline there? And there's the parting space. It's from here to here. So here are the curls. Oh my goodness, she feels so soft. Let's take a look at this stock card here. Let me find my scissors and cut this card off here. All right, there we have it. Here's the stock card, and that's what she looks like. I wanted the one with the highlights in it. I tried color one time, and I think I like it. So maybe I'll try to get the one with the color at a later date because they were sold out. That's a bummer when I really want something. But Shakira is very flowy. Here's the inside of the stock card. And on the back of the stock card, it has all these beautiful colors that we can choose from. So there's how she look in the back there. And there's the front view. So let's get started and see the construction of the inside of the wig. It has the standard combs. Sometimes I take them out because they're very uncomfortable. So we have the two on the side, and then of course the one in the back, and then it has this scrap here, and it's not adjustable, but it is definitely big hair friendly, so that's a plus. I'm just gonna take and do what I do with it and make her look beautiful. Okay, guys. So when I come back, I'm just gonna tint the inside of this a little bit to match my complexion. But when I come back, I'm gonna have Shakira on so we can see what she looks like and get started. Okay, ladies, I am back with Shakira on. As you can see, I've tinted the wig so it matches my complexion, and the lace is still on. So we're gonna cut the lace off and style her. It's not big head friendly like I thought. It's so tight. I don't have to use any glue or anything because she's really tight. I have thick hair. My braids are pretty thick under there, so she wouldn't go anywhere. So I'm not going to use any glue or anything to style her. So I'm going to comb the baby hairs back. I normally end up doing my own thing for some reasons. The baby hairs that I provided don't work with me. I don't understand why, but we're going to make it do what it do. And I'm going to pin this back this side here, and we're going to get this lace off here. I'm going to take my eyebrow cutter and take the lace off. I'm going to start with some slits. Let's get this one off first. By the ear. One section. There's a little piece right there. I'm going to take my lot of body mousse and define these curls. And they're so very soft. Let's get the back. Yeah, I don't think I want a lot of baby hair. I might do a little something something in the front, but not a lot of baby hairs. I like very loose curls, flowy curls. Aren't those curls beautiful? And it's not shedding too much. It's probably shedding because I cut the lace off, so it's probably shedding from that. So that's a good thing. It's not shedding. I think these curls are so gorgeous. Let me decide what I want to do with the front. I'm not going to wear the part in the middle. I'm a side girl, side part girl. And that's the even more while I'm probably not going to have any baby hairs. Just a little something to make it look cute. Yeah, the way it's laying, I'm not gonna need baby hairs at all. Just a little something there on this side to make it look cute. I'm gonna call it my adult swoop. It's not gonna be called baby hair. It's gonna be called my adult swoop. And there's not gonna be a lot to do to this unit. Okay, a clip. I'm gonna clip this out of the way. To do what I need to do with it. I'm gonna take my scissors here. About right there. All right. And now I'm going to take my mousse and lay this down. I'm going to take my comb. I'm going to take one of my wraps here and just pat it down for a second. I'm going to let this set for a second. And that's all I'm going to do to this one. And I'm going to come back and let you guys see the final finished touch. Okay, ladies, I am back, and this is the finished look of Melted Hairline Shakira. This is Shakira on the stock card. This is Shakira on me. I didn't do a lot with baby hairs because of the pattern of the curls. I just did the one adult swoop, which is plenty. I think it would have been overwhelming to have a lot of baby hairs in here. So that's why I just did the one swoop, and I think it turned out beautifully. Remember, you can win this unit for free. All you have to do is leave me a comment down below in the comment section, like and subscribe to my channel, and you can be my next Dash You Girl winner for November. All right, ladies. Thank you so much for joining me. It was fun doing this video, and I hope you had just as much fun watching me install this unit. Always be beautiful, always be confident, always be you, always love you. That's you, girl. You're going to look beautiful in this unit. Talk to you, ladies, in my next video. See you next time. Bye bye.